The healing power of the human soul, the next frontier in human development. I'm Philip Mountrose, my wife and partner Jane Mountrose, and I help people step up, tap into the heart and soul. In this short video, I want to explore the power of the human soul. It's something we all have, yet we often don't realize that. It has so much value, so much worth. And what are we talking about? The human power of the healing soul, the loving power of your soul. It refers to that truth within that we all have. We can access it for guidance, direction, healing, and wisdom. It values us. It recognizes us. We can create our reality with it, as I'll explore, if we just tap into it, if we connect with it. So what prevents people from accessing the power of the soul? Well, the power of the soul is relatively easy to access, has tremendous benefits, yet most people get lost and don't do it, don't remember, except in times of beauty, maybe sunsets and sunrises, or times of extreme crisis. Yet we can do it at any time, and we get lost, however. What is the problem? Well, it's chronic stress, largely. It's getting lost in momentums of hurry and worry, a lot of anguish, mental anguish and fear. And there is a time for fear, in genuine danger and alarm if we're being attacked, but that's rare. The little things that lead to hypervigilance, and we're always worried we're lost in the past or fearful of uncertainty in the future, rising mental health problems of anxiety and depression are all around us, and it leads to physical problems. It's corrosive to the brain. It frays your nerves. You're in fight or flight. You're worried. You're in this hurry and worry. Little things become big things, or freeze. So you can't relax. You can't use your nervous system to engage and connect and be more soulfully present with other people. So even though this is common, this hurry, worry, momentum, getting lost in it, just because it's normal doesn't mean it's healthy or wise. So things being normal, everyone doing it, isn't necessarily a good idea. Following the herd can lead you into bad places, straits, stress, breakdown, burnout, and such. So what can you do? How can you open your heart and connect with your soul? As you open your heart and connect with your soul, you realize everything has meaning, everything has a purpose. You're here for a reason. You have direction, you have guidance, you have a life plan. And even when challenges and hardships occur, you know how to deal with them more intentionally, more lovingly, more heart-centered ways to deal with your life, and unconditionally accept and approve of yourself and other people, and also stand up and be courageous when you need to as well, and learning how to trust yourself and trust the universe in a way that makes sense from a loving heart perspective where the answers lie within. Soulfulness affects everything I do as a mother and at work in end-of-life care. The more I practice soulfulness, the more benefits I receive. Especially in challenging times, I elevate my perspective in situations that could otherwise be very difficult. In other words, there would be a lot of suffering without soulfulness. Soulfulness can show the blessings in life. In some, it brings peace and joy to every aspect of life. So what do the heart and soul tell you about yourself? Well, you're a unique being with a purpose and gifts to share. You can connect with others in a loving way. The heart has many benefits to confer on you, so you're more present in this moment, expressing yourselves, more connected with your life plan and your full potential, and letting people know that you are present and you care about other people, and you are more open and kind-hearted and open-hearted and loving. What then is the healing path to the soul through the heart, the open heart? It's a wonderful path. Breathe into it now. Be here now. The heart physically sends out more messages to the brain than the other way around. The heart is much more powerful electromagnetically as measured than the brain. These are physical manifestations of this spiritual heart, which is far more infinitely wise and wonderful and connected everywhere and everything. And as you open to this vast presence you have within you, life changes. Things look very differently, as you can see the big picture, like where I am here by the Ventura Park in this beautiful setting with the Pacific Ocean behind me and the hills. You get a sense of the big picture, the openness about you are connected with that and everything and everyone. Breathe into that. Know that you are worth it. You are a spiritual being. You have tremendous values and gifts to share with the world. I'll leave you with a quote from our book, The Loving Power of the Soul. Always remember, you are a special spiritual being, and your soul's loving presence is the essence of your humanity.